Hey guys, it's John from Primeaux. Once again, I'm back and I've got a really awesome giveaway that I want to tell you guys about. Now I'm going to be making a custom knife for one of our fans. You get to pick your blade, you get to pick your steel, you get to pick your handle, you get to pick your bolster, and then I'm going to make all that custom for you. There's just a few things you got to do in order to become eligible for this giveaway. Now you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to pay anything. There's nothing that you have to do for us except for a few things that are super simple. Now, first of all, you gotta join our YouTube channel. Now, we've been getting really blocked by the big social media. They really don't like our knives and they're not showing us to anybody. So we're really trying to boost our YouTube and provide you guys with some really awesome, really nicely produced content. But you've got to subscribe in order to join the giveaway. So that's rule number one. Number two, you gotta go to our website. There's a link down here below in the description. And you gotta sign up for our newsletter. Now, we don't send this out very often. And when we do, it's always good stuff. We tell you about our special drops and releases, and that's how we're going to announce the winner of the giveaway. So that's rule number two. Rule number three, you gotta join our Facebook Primeaux Knife Lovers group, where we show a lot of inside shots about the processes and what's going on in the shop. So it's a really important thing to be able to connect with you better on a daily basis through Facebook. It lets Meta know that we're here and that we have supporters. So it's really important. Number three, you also have to like our Primeaux page. Pretty easy. If you're already on Facebook, just go ahead and like our page and follow our Primeaux Knife Lovers group. And then number four, you got to join our Instagram following. So make sure you're following us along on Instagram if you're not already. I know a lot of you are, but you know, Instagram's not showing us to anybody. So just come on along that trip and follow us along. Now, you gotta be 18, sorry kids, and you gotta be a US resident, but otherwise, this is wide open to everyone. So we really want to show some appreciation to everybody who's been following along. We want to be able to provide a really awesome custom knife for somebody who maybe doesn't have the means to get one, but you know, we know that this can make a difference in someone's life. And it's a really cool opportunity for you to get one of these special pieces made by me. We have got a whole bunch of different knife profiles you can pick from. Like you can get a Santoku with a Damascus blade. You can get a chef with a mono steel blade. You can get a slicer with Damascus. These are just a few options. I've got a bunch of cool handles to pick from. Here's a Fordite handle with some really nice anodized aluminum bolster. Here's a one-of-a-kind bog oak handle with some silver filler for the grain. Really cool silver anodized bolster. We've got our famous Jade G10 with brass. The list goes on and on and on. So if you win, you'll work directly with me to design the knife of your dreams. So it's a really, really awesome opportunity. So we're going to be doing the giveaway on August 31st. And so if you're not already signed up, if you're not already doing all these things, then get on it. And we're going to be doing a live drawing. We're going to put all the names of everybody who is eligible onto a wheel. We're going to give it a spin, and one lucky person is going to win. So we'll see you then.